Hey guys, what's up? And the Huawei Y9s is finally here in the house, and in this video we're gonna unbox this phone and let's see what is Huawei has to offer in this 43,000 PKR price range. And without any further ado, let's quickly unbox this phone. And you can see here is the box which shows some specification about the phone. This phone comes with a 6.59-inch Full HD display with a 48 megapixel triple AI cameras, and this box is also shows the phone from the front. No notch, no hole, Huawei full view display. So let's quickly unbox this phone and removing the plastic from the box. And the first thing we have is the 1 year warranty card, because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market, and on the back is having two seals. So let's quickly remove the seal. Done. And I bought this phone in breathing crystal color with 128 GB internal storage and a 6 GB RAM compared to 4 GB RAM on the Y9 Prime 2019. So open this box like this, and on the top is having Huawei Y9s. So let's out the phone from this box, and you can see Huawei Y9s. So let's put the side here and look inside the box. And the first thing we have this mini box, and which contain a SIM injection tool, and you can see quick start guide. And one more remaining thing inside of this little box, we have a silicone case which is a very good value, and it is a cable, and it is a USB-C cable which is very good feature by Huawei, and a charger 5V with 2 ampere charger. It is a 10-watt charger. This phone does not support fast charging, and which is a bit disappointing thing in this 43,000 price range. So Huawei headphones like always. So let's look at the device itself, Huawei Y9s, and you can see, and Y9s comes with a 4000 mAh battery size with a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, which is amazing feature in this price range. Let's look at the back, and you can see we have a very beautiful gradient look on the back. So let's quickly board this phone up. Let's remove the plastic from the front. And Y9s comes with a 4000 mAh battery size, and phone is not feel any heavy, any hefty, and phone is very comfortable. And let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. And you can see on the back is having a triple cameras on the back, and the main sensor we have is the 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture and 8 megapixel ultra wide. Last we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor LED flash, and the fingerprint scan is not available on the back. And because this phone comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner, volume up and volume down rocker, and the fingerprint scanner location is very good and comfortable for me. I can reach the fingerprint scanner without any problem. And we have a beautiful 6.59-inch Full HD display, and it is the IPS LCD display, not the Super AMOLED. And on the top is having a pop-up selfie camera with a SIM tray. Let's look at the SIM tray. You can use one SIM card and one microSD card at the same time. It is a hybrid SIM slot, not as the full-fledged SIM slot on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. A secondary microphone, and on the bottom is having a speaker, USB-C port, microphone, headphone jack. Let's set up the device, and let's set up the side mounted fingerprint scanner, and you can see like this, and it feels fast and give you a little vibration as well. And okay, enroll fingerprint edges, and now done. And here is the first boot of the Huawei Y9s. And the first impression about the display quality, I really like the display quality on this phone. It is very bright, and the colors is also very nice, but it is not a Super AMOLED display that we see on the Vivo S1. So let's go to the about phone, and you can see this phone is running on Android 9 Pie, which is good. This phone comes with the same chipset as the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, Huawei Kirin 710F processor with a 6 GB RAM compared to the 4 GB RAM on the Y9 Prime 2019. 128 GB internal storage out of 118 GB is available for you with a micro SD card support. And this phone is also give you a system gesture. Let's enable that, and you can see you can back like this. Here is the home, and you can up and go like this, and you can see here is your multitasking, which is very good gesture. And this one is also comes with a auto brightness sensor. You can also change the screen resolution from full HD to 720p for increasing your battery life. And the display aspect ratio is really good on this phone, give you a very immersive experience with no notch, no hole, and the top and the side bezel is small, and the chain is little bit big, but the colors is really good. And let's look at the camera. And on the back is having a triple cameras on the back. Main sensor is having a 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide. Last we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. AI enable. Let's go to the settings, and by default it is at 12 megapixel. Let's go back and let's disable the AI, and now let's go to the settings. And now this phone give you a 48 megapixel option in the settings. Let's show you the detail. Let's zoom in, and you can see give you a very detailed image. And let's look at the front camera, and the front camera is having a 16 megapixel, and you can see. And the picture quality, I really like the picture quality on this one. And the portrait mode is also available with the front camera. And the front camera is also give you a night mode, and same thing with the back camera as well. Let's go to the video section on this phone, and let's see the video recording size. And the back camera is got up to full HD with a 60 frames per second, and the front camera is record up to only full HD with a 30 frames per second. And some more feature in the camera department like HDR, moving picture, a lot of feature that Huawei Y9 give you right out the box. And I really like the system gesture animation. 4000 mAh battery size, does not feel heavy in this phone. I really surprised by the 6.5 inch very big display with 4000 mAh battery size. Let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see it is really faster than I expected. And the fingerprint scanner button is also work like power on off button. Emotion 9.1 is very smooth, but I don't find the night mode feature in this phone. And you can see in the display settings, no night mode feature in this phone. And one more exciting feature about this phone is having this phone is support all the apps Google that you need in your phone, Google, Gmail, YouTube, and the Google Play Store as well. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the Huawei Y9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for my full review. Wait for my full review, and let me know what kind of video you want to see regarding the Huawei Y9s battery test, the camera test. Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Overall, this phone is a really good option for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.